Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe to make chana chat at home. Also sharing the recipe to make khatti meethi chutney and hari chutney at home easily. So first I'll be starting to make khatti meethi chutney. For this I am taking 50 grams of jaggery, 50 grams of tamarind, and into this I'll be adding 50 ml of hot boiling water. I'm going to cover it and let it aside for at least 10 minutes or until the jaggery is nicely melted. If your jaggery has not melted, you can also microwave it for 30 seconds and then mix it nicely and strain. Your khatti meethi chutney is ready instantly. Now this chutney is used in all of the chaat recipes. So it's quite easy to prepare also. When you prepare this chutney, you can prepare all of the chaat recipes at home. Now here I am preparing hari chutney. For this adding handful of mint leaves, handful of coriander leaves, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Now adding little water and grind this into a smooth paste. Now hari chutney is ready. This is also very easy to prepare and is used in all of the chaat recipes. I am going to add 1 cup of soaked chana. I have soaked chana overnight and I am going to add 250 ml of water. I am going to use boiled potato in the chaat recipe. To save time, I am going to boil the potato along with the chana. Now I am going to cook it for 2 whistles on medium to high flame. After 2 whistles, chana is cooked. I am going to strain them and add it to a mixing bowl. Into this I am adding 1 onion which I have chopped finely, handful of coriander leaves, around 4 tablespoons hari chutney. You can add this according to your spice level. Also going to add 4 tablespoons of khatti methi chutney. You can adjust this according to your taste. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of chaat masala powder, and boiled cubed of potatoes. Now I am going to mix the chaat very nicely. For perfect flavor, you have to mix everything with hand, crushing potatoes and onion in the way and mixing it. This gives a very nice flavor. Chana is filled with proteins and this is a recipe without any oil. Perfect way to enjoy the monsoon. Do try this. I also garnished it with some pomegranate seeds for color and crunchiness. Do try this and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share and comment. Bye guys.